I'm very happy.
I would like to thank you, Shifuji, for all your training. To me personally, I felt it was not just training of using things, learning skills, but you also imparted values. Values such as respecting parents, saying sorry to them, respecting one another, and loving one another. To me, that was equally important as the training you imparted. Thank you very much, Shifuji. I would like to express our deep sentiments of thanks to you for being here for this entire week. I'm sure the girls are going to miss you around. But I'm also sure that they will continue what they have learned here.
Good. Today nobody did. Everybody did a slave style.
Number one. Shifuji. It's so wonderful to see that in a matter of 1 week, and I know he must be really strict with you guys. No. That's wonderful because I know he's touched your hearts. And what was so great that sitting here and watching him and watching all of you, ek jaisa hota hai na, the josh which comes in. You know, that feeling of we can do anything we put our minds to, right? Yes. And we can do it. Yes. So that is what every young girl in our country must feel. So I thank you, Shifuji, you know, for giving me this opportunity to be here. Thank you so much. And thank you girls, thank you so much.
परसों पता चलेगा ब्रेकिंग हुई थी. So no issue at all. Another all you on the renders. Yes, yeah.
On behalf of Sister Nirmalini, the staff and students of Carmel Convent School, I would like to thank Grandmaster Shifuji and his team for training us over the last 4 days. Not only self-defense, but the discipline that you have instilled in us will stand us in good stead. Outside the Carmel cocoon, we have to be strong enough to defend ourselves in times of trouble. And so, we are fortunate to have been trained by someone as accomplished as you. Especially in the current times, when young girls in Delhi do not feel so safe, we are emboldened by the techniques that you have taught us and feel so much more confident to face the world. We would like to assure you that we will practice what we have learned here so that we feel secure and empowered. I'd also like to thank Sister Nirmalini and the staff for giving us this opportunity to learn ourselves. I'd also like to thank our dear parents for their constant support and encouragement.
जज्बा मेरा दिल ये बोला मेरा रंग दे ओ मेरा रंग दे ओ माए रंग दे बसंती मेरा रंग दे ओ मेरा रंग दे ओ माए रंग दे बसंती आजादी के वालों का देखा कब से डोला आगे कुर्बानी का जज्बा मेरा दिल ये बोला मेरा रंग दे ओ मेरा रंग दे ओ माए रंग दे बसंती मेरा रंग दे ओ मेरा रंग दे ओ माए रंग दे बसंती मेरे खून में देश प्रेम का रंग है तूने घोला ओ मेरा रंग दे ओ मेरा रंग दे ओ माए रंग दे बसंती जो मेरा रंग दे ओ मेरा रंग दे
जज्बा काम नहीं कर पाए तो इतना खून की कर सकता नहीं याद रखना ये पागलपन बहुत जरूरी है That is what I want all of you to have. Please have that पागलपन अपने सेल्फ एस्टीम और सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट से ज्यादा दुनिया में किसी को भी मत उससे कभी प्ले मत करने देना Remember, if anybody tries to hurt you, hurt him so badly that he cannot imagine to hurt anyone next time. Now, anything else?
I am extremely grateful to Mission Brar and Shifuji for coming here from Mumbai along with his team, because it is so very important for a girl child to be motivated from within, to be physically active and also mentally alert, to know how she has to protect her own self as a girl, as a woman, and also thereby help in protecting somebody else. And this training was not so much about karate or martial art. It was training of the mind, training of an attitude, training of self-confidence, self-esteem, you may like to call it. All these issues were dealt with. And what I was also very happy is through the training, right through the training, little anecdotes were narrated, examples were given, and values were imparted, which are very, very important for today's generation to understand what life is all about, to understand themselves, to understand their neighbor, and also to respect. I think when we love and respect, we will not be aggressive and violent. So really I want to congratulate Shifuji and his team for this wonderful work.
I'm Sister Pearl Ann from Apostolic Carmel High School, Bandra. It has been a privilege and a joy to have Shifuji on our campus for this past 1 week, training our girls in self-defense, self-preservation and building up of their self-confidence. Shifuji has not only trained them in this, but has also won their hearts and helped them to believe in themselves. He has changed their attitude to life. What more could I ask for? I'm simply delighted and so happy that this transformation has taken place in our students in just 1 week. It's amazing. It is only someone who has dedicated his life to humanity would be able to do this. And I can see this greatness in Shifuji. What makes him stand out is his humility. He takes no credit for himself but believes in a God, and it is this belief in God that he passes on to our students. I am deeply grateful to Shifuji and his team of commandos that have really brought about a tremendous change in our students. I wish Shifuji all the best, that his dream to train over 1 crore students, young girls in India, may be fulfilled. Our best wishes are with him, and I'm happy to welcome him into our Carmel family. Shifuji is now no longer an outsider but part of our Carmel family. And I'm grateful to God for this interaction with him and his team. May God bless him and grant him great success in all that he does. Thank you.